This country needs an all-out strategy that develops every available source of American energy.
In 2005, something strange happened. Conventional crude oil production stopped growing. All of the growth has been from unconventionals.
That's an incredibly important milestone in terms of the human race.
Can these resources do the job that conventional oil and gas does?
Economies don't run on money, they run on energy.
If you take the energy out of the society, it'll stop immediately.
The industry is going to the ends of the earth to produce oil these days.
Aside from nuclear explosions, seismic survey is the loudest man-made sound.
It's catastrophic, it's intergenerational, and you've just wiped out the Serengeti of the North.
They didn't tell us that there was chemicals in the fracking process.
What they want to do is they're going to heat this.
The entire greenhouse gas footprint of shale gas turns out to be 2 to 3 times worse than that of coal.
Shales are a cash-eating monster.
You're actually putting more energy in than you get back in the refined fuels at the end.
Billions of dollars have been spent, and it just hasn't worked.
Economists thought this could just go on forever.
We can max out our credit cards, but at some point, our credit cards are maxed out.
No pipeline! No pipeline! No pipeline!
I'm going to walk up that hill, and I'm going to be the best citizen I can be.
This movement is starting to win.
We are on the cusp of a new energy paradigm, no doubt about it.
New kinds of economic and social systems need to be imagined.
We make very poor gods, and we make all kinds of mistakes as gods.